Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you're using a GGF600AVSS oven and want to turn it off safely, it might seem simple at first, but many users get confused when the oven stays warm, the fan keeps running, or the display is still active even after pressing the off button. This can make it feel like the oven hasn't fully shut down. In reality, modern ovens are designed with cooling fans and safety features that continue running for a short time after use. The best thing is that once you follow the correct steps, you can be sure your oven is turned off properly and safely. Try these. Step 1. Press the cancel off button on the control panel. Step 2. Make sure all cooking modes are fully stopped. Step 3. Allow the cooling fan to run. Step 4. Check that the heating elements are no longer active. Step 5. Turn off the power at the wall or breaker if needed. Step 6. Wait until the oven is completely cool before leaving it.